Today, I will discuss how to make money without startup costs. Whether you're just starting in business or you've been in the game for years, this video is for you. We'll look at ways to make money without investing much money upfront. We'll be discussing how to take advantage of resources you may already have and how to think outside the box to devise creative ways to make money without spending a fortune. So, if you're ready to start, let's dive right in and explore the many ways to make money without startup costs. Becoming a freelancer is the first way to start making money with no startup costs. There are a variety of freelancing websites you can use to find different jobs. You can offer web design, content writing, data entry, and more services. You can set your hours and prices to make a good income with no initial investment. Number 2 is to become a virtual assistant. You can help other businesses with administrative tasks like scheduling, data entry, and customer service. You can use virtual assistant platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find jobs and set your rates. You can also sell digital products like ebooks, audio files, and videos. If you have a particular skill or knowledge, you can monetize it by teaching or creating online courses. Finally, you can use affiliate marketing to earn money online. You can promote products or services from other brands on your blog or social media accounts and earn a commission for every sale. With no startup costs, you can build a profitable online business with these strategies. Number 3 is to become an online tutor. Online tutoring is a great way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. You can offer tutoring services for various subjects, such as math, science, language, and more. You can set your rates and hours and even submit your services for free. Additionally, you can use online tutoring platforms to connect with students worldwide, which can be both rewarding and enriching. Online tutoring also lets you be flexible with your schedule and take on clients when you have time. Plus, many students are willing to pay for quality tutoring, so it's a great way to make some extra money. Number 4 is to become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and services and make a commission from any sales you generate. You don't need to invest any money upfront. You can start making money immediately. As an affiliate marketer, you must join an affiliate program and select products or services you want to promote. You will then create content such as website articles, blog posts, social media posts, and videos that will link to the products or services you are promoting. You can also use other online marketing strategies like email marketing, search engine optimization, and pay-per-click advertising. You will earn a commission when someone clicks on a link you provide and purchases. You will need to track your progress and adjust your strategies as necessary to maximize your earning potential. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online with the right plan. Finally, by creating and selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products can be a great way to make money online. You can use various tools to create digital products, such as ebooks, courses, videos, music, and more. Once your products are completed, you can upload them to a marketplace or your website and start selling them. You can also promote your products on social media or create an email list to send promotions and discounts to your loyal customers. With digital products, you can also offer customers payment plans so they can pay for your product over time. Additionally, you can use analytics to track product performance and customer engagement to ensure your products are successful. Once your products sell, you can create new products and expand your business. With digital products, you can make money with minimal upfront investment. This video has given you some ideas on how to make money with no startup costs. With a little hard work and dedication, you can start making money immediately. Good luck! If you found this video helpful and insightful, please show your support by liking it, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to the channel. Also, make sure to check out our other videos.